today we're going to learn how to crack eggs. So this is how you start. If there's any shells in the bowl, take a piece of egg and then scoop them out. Where are bowls? Then take your whisk and whisk. I'm doing the whisking because she has messier hands.
Why are we whisking the eggs?
We're whisking the eggs because you want the egg white and the egg yolk to come together to make this yellowish mixture.
How do you know when it's done?
When it looks very yellow.
Is it done?
Yes.